Hey, what's up? It's Roy here, and today's video is my very first Samsung Galaxy S23 phone case review. So as you can tell, it is from the company Poetic. They were kind enough to send a handful of cases out for review, along with this S23 dummy phone. So guys, just full disclosure, it is a dummy phone. It's not the real S23. It's what they use to create cases with. So as far as specs and everything goes, it's identical. It's just not a functioning real phone. Now, the one that they sent me here is the neon case. So I just wanted to kind of show you the packaging real quick. There it is as far as Samsung Galaxy S23 Black Poetic Neon. You're going to be looking at around $16.95 for this particular case. And it does come in a slew of different colors. Like green, pink, you name it. So I'll put the link in the description. It's not on Amazon yet, but you can at least go to Poetic's website and pick it up if you want to. But here is the case. Looks just like pretty much any Poetic neon case. This is my favorite color combo. I just think it looks really cool with the black and the orange. You be the judge and let me know down in the comments as well. But as you can see here, it's just a really nice dual layer case here. So I just really like the interior. I like the exterior. Interior is very rugged looking. Obviously it says military standard drop protection, says neon there for some branding. So all in all, looks really cool. And it is a multi-layer case. I think I already mentioned that. You do not have to take it apart to put the actual phone in. But just for fun, now that I've done this, let's go ahead and get it installed. So with the S23 dummy phone, as you can see here, our volume up and down and power buttons are going to be on this side. And then there is a SIM card tray there, which I'm not sure if the real version will have that. I'm not sure if they're going to have physical SIMs. I'm assuming they will. I think Apple's the only one that's just completely gone complete eSIM. And then whenever you do this, then you just kind of snap the polycarbonate shell with the TPU material here. And then that's all she wrote. So now that you're looking at it installed, this is how it's going to look with those new S23 lenses. And so it's kind of gone away from the actual camera bump like the S22 and just kind of stuck with just dedicated lenses. I like the look personally. But once again, it's just kind of up to you if you prefer it or not. I do like the back. I just really think it looks very clean looking. It says Poetic right there. Has that nice neon orange as well. Do have some little padded extra parts here that are sticking through from the actual TPU here. And that's going to help with grip and skidding on a table. And then looking at the actual camera bump design there, as you can see, the lenses are recessed in very nicely. So we're going to get some good lens protection. And it does have that pill-shaped cutout with that half circle there for the flash. So on this side here, you can see what's going on. So we have that harder plastic shell kind of sticking out here, and then the TPU material right here. Now you can see with the volume up and down and the power buttons, they are raised very nicely. The power button does have some little teeth in it. And then the volume up and down button has 1 and 2 indicators as well. And then looking at the bottom, you can see here as well, just kind of the look. So for the USB-C charging port and the speaker there, that's the way it's looking. And then moving to the side here, obviously there's no buttons or anything. So that's just kind of the look. So when you're holding it, that TPU material is definitely going to be very grippy, feels nice in the hand. And then looking at the top, we do have a kind of a square cutout there for the mic up top. Looking at the front, you can see we do have some great lips going around the front. So forehead, chin, and sides are going to be nicely protected, as you can see there. And then looking at it from straight on, you can kind of see that's the look there. Little thicker, right? But it is technically a 2-part case, which means it is rugged, so on and so forth. It's slim rugged is kind of what I call cases like this. And then if you look here a little closer, you can kind of see the cutout, how it's going to look. So there it is. So now let's go ahead and see the shaking kind of thing going on here. Face down, there is no shaking going on. And back down is pretty much the same. I mean, it is a little bit, but not like a wobbly mess. It's just, you know, you're hitting it, so you're gonna be able to see it bounce a little bit, but it's nothing that is not manageable. It wouldn't bother me at all. So even though this is a dummy phone, the buttons actually do work. So let's see if the responsiveness with the case kind of shows through with this dummy phone. So let's do the power button first, and definitely getting some nice clicking back. You can kind of hear it. And then let's do the volume up and down. Same thing. So very tactile buttons. So if you are a fan of clicky buttons, then this one passes with flying colors. Now, unfortunately, with this being a dummy phone, I can't turn it on. There is no ability to test the actual Qi wireless charging capabilities, but I can tell you with confidence that it will work with a Qi wireless charger. There is no doubt in mind that it will not, so it definitely will. So if you are someone that likes to use a Qi wireless charging pad, or if you want to take advantage of the reverse power share capabilities of the S23, then I'm happy to report it's going to work just fine. So all in all, guys, with the final kind of conclusion and final thoughts of this case, it feels fantastic in the hand. I always, like I said, like the Poetic Neon case. I think it's a slim enough case where it's not going to feel super, super bulky in the hand. With the S23 being the smaller of the three. So this isn't the Plus, this isn't the Ultra, this is the smaller 6.2. It feels nice in the hand, very lightweight. The grip is going to be fine because you do have all this extra TPU around it, so it's going to feel nice and grippy, and it's easy to get in and out of your pocket with this harder shell in the back. No fingerprint issues, no smudge issues. All in all, well worth the $16.95 in my opinion. But there you have it, guys. Hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.